Eric and I watched the movie The Way. It was a story about this old guy, his son dies while walking the Camino de Santiago in France. So he went there and then he walks the way for his son. And I thought it was the dumbest idea ever. Why would somebody want to walk 30, 35 days? Which Erica said, how do you know it's dumb? Have you ever done it? And she has a really good point. So anyways, fast forward, I quit my job last week. I'm going to France. I'm going to Bordeaux on Tuesday, then taking a train to SJPDP, and I'm walking from there to Santiago de Compostela. If you can get a hold of me, that's where I am. I do have T-Mobile, so even though I have zero reception at the mall, for some reason I have great reception overseas, so I will keep updated. So finally got here after like 48 hours of flights and buses and trains. I'm in SJPDP. Here's the beautiful room, full of beds, but I got lucky, I'm the only one here. Tomorrow I'm gonna go get my pilgrim passport and I will start my journey.
A few moments later.
Good morning, I am exhausted as you can see. Officially day one, got my backpack on and I'm ready to go to the pilgrim's office, get my little passport, but hopefully I'll be able to go to the Pyrenees, which they say it's closed, but the guy that hosted here said that even though it's closed, you could still go through the gate, and that it's been sunny, there's no snow up there, so. Here we go, just starting. Got my trekking poles, which I never used before, don't even know how to properly use them, so I guess I'll watch somebody do it and I'll just imitate. But this is what it looks like, the very beginning of it. I wish I could get an Uber from here. Well, today it was rough. I got lost. It's supposed to take like 22 kilometers, took me 30. I just got to the monastery, so there, see? Staying here tonight. And probably the last one to leave again. I left at 9 o'clock, I didn't get here until 5 p.m. And I prepaid for a dinner, pilgrim dinner or whatever special, something like that, and I have to wait until 7 o'clock to eat, otherwise I'll be passed out sleeping already. But it was good. I mean, it was definitely hard. It was really hard. But guess what? I can wake up tomorrow and do the same thing again, and every day after that for 29 days, unless I quit, which is still an option. I left La Razoania and walking towards Pamplona. I've been walking for about an hour. The sun's starting to come out and starting to warm up. It's 33 degrees Fahrenheit right now, which I guess it's like 1 Celsius. And you think it'd be really cold, but it's quite comfortable actually. And here shortly I'm gonna stop and take my jacket off and continue to walk. But yeah, just passing by a little town right now. Hopefully they have a place for me to get some more water and maybe some snacks that I can put in my backpack so I can eat later and I don't have to stop for lunch. But yeah, bon camino.
So day 2 was a lot easier. Went from Rosenpalace to Zurbiri, I think that's what it's called, and that was 20 kilometers. So much easier than yesterday. When we got there to the town, it was really nice. There's like a bunch of bars, a bunch of albergues, there's like a sports store. So if you know, some people went and bought shoes. They brought boots, but then they were hurt, and so they went ahead and tried to purchase trail runners instead. But the thing is, I got there kind of early. It was like 2:30 in the afternoon. I just kept going. I went another 5K and to Lara Zonia, something like that. And I'm glad I did, because instead of being in a room full of people, there was only like I think 4 other people here, and it's really nice. It's cheap. It's like 10 euros with breakfast. So yeah, so I'm glad. And then of course tomorrow, I'm gonna try to go right past Pamplona. And I figure if I do these 3 times, or have a 0 day and be fine. So that's my goal anyways. Try to keep pushing a little bit more. I talked to somebody at SJPDP, and he said the weather is really nice for the next 5 days. So try to push yourself. And then like whenever it starts raining, because of course it will rain, then you can like kind of take shorter days and slow down a bit. Because he said that these trails with the rain and the mud, it's miserable. So just take advantage of these nice days and push through as far as you can. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get a nice sleep, and tomorrow do it all over again. Hopefully it will be as easy as today. So day 3 again, not as bad. I mean, anything is easier than the day 1. Walked to Pamplona, which was really nice. I wish I had more time, and maybe I'll come back there one day and do that. But right now I am at SJPDP, which is the place right before the Alto de Perdón, where you see like that the statue of like a bunch of pilgrims walking. So that's where I'm at. Well, right before that. And there's an albergue here called Burgos San Andres, and it's supposed to be really good. And it's 12 euros for the night. So I think I'm about to stay in here. What I really want to do is just keep going, but I'm not sure. I don't want to like hurt myself. So, but it's only like 3:30, so I'll have to think about it. Have a drink and then see how I feel afterwards, and see if I want to continue or if I want to stay here for the night. So after drinking that beer, I realized that yes, I should just go ahead and keep walking. I walked another 6.3 kilometers, and I'm in a town called Uterga. And there's only 2 albergues here, and I took the one on the left because it looked brighter and nicer, I guess. It was only 10 euros, and that's it. I'm gonna shower, wash my clothes, go to sleep, and then start all over again tomorrow. So today we went from Uterga all the way to Stella, which means that we gain a day compared to what the book says. I actually only have one person that stuck with me from the beginning. Tomorrow I'm just trying to take it easy. Like today was actually 32 kilometers, and it's getting pretty hard like on my body, even though like I feel like I'm starting to get more used to it.
but tomorrow I think I'm just going to do the norm, which I think is 20K. We got really lucky because the first 5 days was all sunny, like perfect weather, and then after that it's going to snow and rain as well. So I'm trying to use those days to like maybe take half days or send my pack ahead of time and just snow and trying to make it there faster, but see how it goes. We also passed Ponte de Reina, and that was a really pretty place. I wish I could have spent a little bit more time there, but I got there, it was 10 a.m, so just ate breakfast, like a late breakfast, and kept going. Again, like still way easy in the first day. Like if you do this and you get done with the first day, like don't be scared. Like after that, everything's a lot easier. I had 2 people that got hurt, and they actually rode the bus today instead of hiking. And I mean, some people are like, oh, kind of that's cheating or whatever, but I think it doesn't matter. It's each person's Camino. So if they feel like that's what they want to do, or if they can't because they're hurt, it's their choice. I don't think that anybody should judge them for that. But that's just my thoughts, and I look forward to tomorrow. Today stay at a albergue municipal over here in Stella, and it was only €6 and had like a sheet and everything, so it's great. No complaints there. So I'm just gonna get some food and go to bed. Made it to Los Arcos. I think it was only 20K today. It's a really nice town. It's a bunch of people. It's the first time that I see a lot of people. Got some really weird food, but it's delicious. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and keep walking. The next town, if I do go, is 7K, which doesn't sound like a lot, but after walking all day and the heaviest pack, it sucks. But I think I'm just gonna keep going. Another amazing day. Left Stella 8:30 because the time changed. I was a little bit late. It was like spring forward, and walked to Los Arcos. Decided to keep going another 7K, and I got to Tres Rios. It's a really nice hostel or albergue here, but they have a pool, I guess, for the summertime, which is really nice. Really good food and everything. So the only things that, like in Spain, all the dinners start pretty late, so the earliest that the kitchen will open is at 7 p.m, which if I could, I'd be sleeping by then. So, but it is what it is. I'll just go ahead. I'm going to do laundry right now and get ready, have everything ready for tomorrow, then eat dinner, go to sleep, and then start all over again tomorrow. It's definitely I feel like it's getting easier and easier. This one that we did, we actually went to Stella, to Los Arcos, or Los Arcos to Tres Torres, and I felt like today was, I don't say boring, but you could see the entire, like, unlike the hills, you could see the entire road, and it was really hard because you could see like a town, like it seemed so close but yet so far, and it just kept walking. But of course everything was beautiful and all. It's definitely an experience, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I'm trying to make to Logroño tomorrow, which would be I want to say like a 25K or 30 something, I don't know, push, but I think it's doable. Feet's feeling great. I have no blisters, so nothing to complain really. So it has been probably 30 or 40 minutes since I've seen one of those little arrows, and all I see is road and road. So I'm not 100% sure yet, but I might be lost. I have found my spirit animal. He's my best friend right now. I love him.
Torre del Rios. Torre del... So I tried to get some money out and says that was not authorized, so I have to call USA as soon as the bank opens over there in the US. But it's a little scary because I only have 10 euros left and enough chocolate to last me one day, and after that I'm done.